Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix your connection is not private error in Google Chrome. First, try the most basic fix. Reload the page by pressing the refresh button or pressing F5 on your keyboard. If that does not work, open an incognito window. Then paste the website link again and check if it opens. If the error still appears, clearing your browser cache and cookies can help. Click the three dots in Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Click Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies, Cached Images and Files. Choose All Time, then click Clear Data. Restart Chrome after this step. Next, check your computer date and time. A wrong date or time can cause certificate errors. Right-click on the time in the bottom right corner of your screen and select Adjust Date and Time. Turn on Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically. If they are already on, turn them off, wait a few seconds, then turn them on again. Try disabling your antivirus protection for a short time, then reload the website. If you are using a VPN, disconnect it and try again. After trying these steps, the error should be fixed. Thanks for watching.